Absolutezero Baconator here, and today we're going to be doing another reaction video for you guys. And before we begin, I want to explain a couple things. So, I did promise at the beginning of this month I'd have 4 videos out in the 2-day span. However, I only put out 1. The reason behind that was I actually had all 4 uploaded, ready to go. 3 of them got copyright striked. And I would have been fine with that, but they were blocked in all countries. So, even if I didn't care about the not getting money from it, they were blocked. I couldn't do a single thing. So I ended up deleting them. I did record one other video during that time to try to catch up. I haven't released it yet, so I'm going to be releasing it the same day I released this, guys, to make up for it. But, yeah. Anyways, I apologize for that, but I do want to thank you all for the amount of support I've been getting. And hopefully in a couple days, another Dimash video should come out relatively soon. But what I wanted to talk about today is we're going to be reacting to another Tom Ska. So, you guys remember I reacted to the Muffin song because I love the Muffin song. One of the other songs I really like from him is Beep Beep I'm a Sheep. And, well, apparently there's a famous or infamous, I would say, animation. I don't know much about it. All I've heard is it's famous and infamous, so I guess we'll find out. I don't know what they meant by that, but yeah. But I also am planning to react to ASDF movie 1 through 12 since 12 was released maybe about a couple months ago. So I want to react to all of them for you guys because I haven't seen 12 yet, and honestly, I don't remember most of the others. I remember 10 had Beep Beep, 7 was Muffin, and that's about it, the introduction. But yeah, if you guys like to see more, like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into this. I hope it's not too weird. I really hope it's not. Because it said it's infamous. I don't know why. Okay. Where do I even start with this? It looked like, I'm like, okay, there's a couple new sheep around. Then the guy steals the wool off and they're girl sheep. And they're not just like normal girl sheep, they're like 18 plus sheep, it looks like. They're like hentai sheep. I don't know. I don't know, I feel like it's the best way to describe it. I'm confused on what's going on. Why are there hentai sheep? This has already gone downhill. Okay, and there's a fox, okay.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep like a sheep?
I remember.
Take it away, Gabe!
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I remember this. That's not what the dance is. That's not the dance I learned a long time ago. That's not the dance I learned. What is this? What is this animation? Oh my god. Who's that sheep? He had his own movie. He's in the same universe as Wallace and Gromit. I don't remember. I have no idea. Oh, the Zootopia lady. I don't know what this is. She's dancing with a pickle? A priest and a what? I don't get these references. I know some of them. Oh, no! No!
So, you know how to beep like a sheep, I see.
I thought that was gonna get inappropriate for a second. I really did. Okay.
But is that all you can do?
Okay. Yeah. That's not the dance! Oh my god. No. No. That's not. That's not the dance. That's not the dance. That's not how the dance works. What is this? How is this on YouTube? How? Okay, just... Oh, okay. That's a cat. What's a marine? Oh, no, Pokemon, no. What is this? No, 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 no! What did I just watch? Seriously, what did I just watch? I thought this was gonna be a nice, simple animation. Thought it was a nice animation. I was wrong. I was wrong on so many levels. Why were the I'm done. I'm just done. If you guys like to see more, like, comment, subscribe. I'm done.